Still messing with this Selkirk. Not happy with the sound. Back to Vancouver, so I got my lock programmer. This is a 484 soundtrack in here. Doing some stupid experiments. Just putting a pill bottle on the thing and it seems to really help the sound. So that's part of the experiment. And then when we put the tender body on, which is a bit of a tricky thing, so I shut the power off when I'm doing it. It's not as good as the pill bottle, but I don't have holes in the bottom of the tender, and I'm really debating whether drilling a bunch of holes is a good idea. One thing significant to note with these, I couldn't get anything to stick with Lock Programmer without first disconnecting this little devil here, the current keeper from these terminals. It just sucks the programming up, so that was no good. Anyway, that's where I'm at with a piece of junk. Thinking about putting 2 of the little ESU sugar cubes in and seeing how that goes, because I'm not impressed with this thing, and it's the world's ugliest baffle anyway.